Here we come to the elevators at the Wells Fargo building in Hickory, North Carolina. Look at this call station. These look like Regency. 2 indicators. These used to be Westbrook, and they got modded by Dover. This is definitely worth seeing. 6. Let's switch cars at B. Out there. This definitely was something original until Dover modded this. It was installed in 1974. Okay, I'm gonna send this away and we'll catch the other car. These fixtures. Regency call station. Well, this one's got the padding. I thought people were coming down. Are you coming down now?
Excuse me.
Yeah, you can come in.
I come in?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, okay.
What floor are you going?
1. 1, please.
I thought you were like having a meeting. Sorry for the disturbance.
Oh, no, you're fine. We're just doing training.
Oh, okay.
Are y'all training?
I'm just an elevator enthusiast.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I like to film elevators.
That's cool. I've never heard of that.
Yeah, I just do it for my personal enjoyment.
Oh, well, thank you.
Have a great day.
All right, you too. Thank you.
Yeah, Alex, I'm actually going to get the middle elevator car and then I'll be done.
Okay.
Used to be... Wait a minute. This used to be Westbrook? Alright, I want to get the middle elevator car. I thought this used to be Westbrook. Maybe I didn't see it so clearly. Finally, I got it. Here it is. Your floor?
1, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. I hope you do too.
These are kind of busy. All right, I'm gonna see if I can make it without stopping. If it does stop, we're gonna go ahead and get off. But this was definitely a mod. I kind of want to get a full indicator view going down. Made it without stopping. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and end that one. I already took enough rides. Oh, I forgot to show the phone. These are your fixtures. They're newer traditional fixtures. Okay, here we are at 1. Got a little complicated there, but there it goes, and that's it.